Pluto, a distant and enigmatic small planet, was once considered a part of our solar system. Yet recent groundbreaking remarks by leading astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku have revived Pluto's relevance with a startling revelation. They have speculated that this cold world is on a possible collision course with Neptune. But how could this happen, and what might the consequences of such a massive event be? Are we witnessing an unexpected cosmic anomaly, or is there something deeper to this impending celestial crash? Join us as we examine the potential outcomes of a Pluto-Neptune interaction. Pluto, a former planet that was reclassified as a dwarf planet, continues to be a source of intrigue and research within the astronomical community. Recent predictions from prominent scientists suggest that Pluto's orbit is perilously close to Neptune's. Astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku have both sounded alarms about a potential dangerous impact between these two worlds, which could pose a severe threat to Earth. But how can such an event be possible? Pluto's journey around the Sun is unlike that of any other planet in the solar system. It takes a remarkable 2,148 years to complete a single orbit, meaning that since its discovery in 1930, it has not even finished one full revolution. However, the interest does not stop there. Pluto's orbit is characterized by its highly elliptical shape, veering significantly away from the near-circular orbits of the major planets. What adds further intrigue is Pluto's inclination, which is tilted at 17 degrees to the ecliptic plane. Pluto's orbit is far more extreme compared to the other planets, and this inclination, combined with its eccentricity, complicates its orbital path. One of the most fascinating aspects of Pluto's orbit is its intersection with Neptune's orbit. For approximately 20 years in each orbit, Pluto actually gets closer to the Sun than Neptune, defying expectations based on their positions in the planetary arrangement. This raises the natural question: why hasn't Pluto collided with Neptune? The answer lies in the gravitational influence of other planets. The study of Pluto's orbit began soon after its discovery, as astronomers sought to understand its unusual trajectory. Unlike the orbits of other planets, which mostly stay close to the ecliptic plane, Pluto's orbit extends far beyond it, with its sharp inclination and stretched shape. The mystery deepened further when astronomers realized that Pluto's orbit crosses Neptune's. Despite these complexities, Pluto's orbit remains stable, which speaks to the intricate mechanics of space. The three-body problem in space involves figuring out the movements and interactions of three objects, such as Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun, due to their gravitational forces. It's akin to predicting the future paths of these bodies based on their starting points and the way they influence each other. In Pluto's case, this issue highlights the interplay between its orbit, Neptune's orbit, and the Sun's gravity. Key concepts like alpha libration, degree libration, and the VSK oscillation are critical to understanding the situation, according to astrophysicists. What keeps all planets in their orbits is a phenomenon known as alpha libration. For Pluto and Neptune, this means that when Pluto crosses Neptune's orbit, it is always at least 90 degrees away from Neptune, which prevents their orbits from colliding. Extension libration, meanwhile, refers to the upward movement of a body in its orbit. For Pluto, this means that when it gets closest to Neptune or any large planet, it is positioned above their orbital plane, providing an additional layer of protection from potential impacts. Another key factor in this scenario is the VSK oscillation, named after scientists Bond, Zippel, and Leo, who studied how objects in space move under the influence of gravity. This oscillation helps explain why Pluto's orbit remains stable despite its seemingly erratic path. The VSK oscillation ensures that Pluto continues on its orbit around the Sun smoothly over billions of years, demonstrating that even in a chaotic space environment, some forces and patterns can maintain order. These gravitational factors help keep Pluto's orbit stable, ensuring that it doesn't collide with Neptune or lose its course. The three-body problem is central to understanding how orbits evolve due to gravitational interactions. Studying this phenomenon enhances our understanding of Pluto, our solar system, and even distant stars and galaxies. In the late 1980s, mathematical simulations revealed that despite these stabilizing mechanisms, Pluto's orbit is fundamentally chaotic, with small changes in initial conditions leading to dramatic shifts over time. However, Pluto's orbit remains stable over long periods, with these chaotic elements balanced by stabilizing forces. Recent computer models have shed light on how giant planets like Neptune, Jupiter, and Saturn influence Pluto's path around the Sun. There exists a special resonance between Pluto and Neptune, where for every 2 orbits Pluto completes, Neptune completes 3. This resonance helps stabilize Pluto's orbit. Yet Neptune is not the only influencing factor. Jupiter's gravity also plays a vital role in ensuring Pluto's orbit remains steady, and Saturn's gravity contributes to this stability as well. These studies show that Jupiter's gravity alone is powerful enough to keep Pluto on a stable path for potentially billions of years. This means Neptune, Jupiter, and Saturn work together to ensure that Pluto remains safe from potential orbital disturbances. These peculiarities in Pluto's orbit are significant in understanding the broader cosmos. They help maintain order and stability in the movement of celestial bodies. Without these mechanisms, the solar system would be far more chaotic, with bodies like Pluto possibly crashing into others or being ejected from their orbits, causing a ripple effect throughout the system. For Pluto, especially in the context of discussions about its potential collision with Neptune, understanding its orbital dynamics is crucial. This knowledge offers a clearer view of the solar system's dynamic nature. Pluto's case illustrates how even seemingly unstable orbits can achieve stability through complex gravitational interactions. Furthermore, the study of Pluto emphasizes the importance of continuous observation and analysis of cosmic phenomena to better understand our place in the universe. Exploring the vastness of space often compels us to confront the strange and unexpected behaviors of celestial bodies, and Pluto's orbit is a prime example of this. The concept of orbital chaos, which refers to the extreme sensitivity of a body's path to its initial conditions, is evident in Pluto's case. Small changes in Pluto's position or velocity can drastically alter its long-term trajectory within the solar system. Pluto holds a unique position in our understanding of planetary classification and dynamics. Since its discovery in 1930, Pluto has been extensively studied, leading to groundbreaking insights into its composition and behavior. One of the most intriguing features of Pluto is its surface, which is a complex mix of ice, rock, and other compounds. The New Horizons mission, which passed Pluto in July 2015, provided invaluable data about this distant world. Pluto's surface consists of vast plains, towering mountains, and deep valleys. One particularly striking feature is Sputnik Planitia, a vast heart-shaped plain primarily made of nitrogen ice. This region displays a wide range of geological features, such as large ice blocks and flowing glaciers, suggesting that Pluto may still be geologically active despite its distance from the Sun and frigid temperatures. Pluto's atmosphere is another fascinating aspect, mainly composed of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. Although thin, Pluto's atmosphere exhibits dramatic seasonal changes. As Pluto moves closer to the Sun in its elongated orbit, its atmosphere expands and contracts. This dynamic behavior reflects the complex relationship between Pluto and its surroundings. During Pluto's closest approach to the Sun, some of its atmospheric gases may freeze onto the surface, while at greater distances, these gases may sublimate back into the atmosphere. The relationship between Pluto and its largest moon, Charon, further complicates the system. Charon is relatively large compared to Pluto, with a diameter about half that of Pluto. This size ratio means that both Pluto and Charon orbit a common center of mass, which lies between the two bodies rather than Pluto simply orbiting Charon. This unique dynamic affects the gravitational environment of the region, influencing the orbits of other objects in the Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune populated by small icy bodies, is home to other dwarf planets and potential impactors. This belt serves as a reservoir of primordial material from the early solar system, providing scientists with valuable insights into its formation. Pluto's orbital characteristics may offer clues into the migration patterns of distant objects, suggesting that interactions with larger planets may have played a role in shaping their current orbits. Understanding Pluto's orbital dynamics has broader implications for our understanding of the solar system's evolution. The gravitational forces exerted by nearby giant planets like Jupiter and Neptune can alter the trajectories of smaller bodies in the Kuiper Belt, potentially causing collisions or ejection from the solar system. By studying these interactions, scientists may uncover broader patterns that govern the behavior of celestial bodies across the universe. The study of Pluto also raises important philosophical questions about order in the cosmos. The decision to reclassify Pluto as a dwarf planet in 2006 sparked debates about what truly defines a planet. The global astronomical community's criteria, based on orbital dominance and size, led many to reconsider the implications of such classifications. This ongoing debate reflects our evolving understanding of the universe and highlights the need for a flexible approach to categorizing celestial bodies. Looking ahead, The potential for future exploration of Pluto and the Kuiper Belt is an exciting frontier. With advancements in technology and mission planning, scientists are considering sending additional spacecraft to study Pluto and other objects with similar orbital characteristics. These missions could provide critical data about the primordial materials that formed our solar system, potentially offering clues about the origins of life on Earth. The study of exoplanets, or planets beyond our solar system, is another fascinating area of research that intersects with our understanding of Pluto. As astronomers discover more exoplanets, particularly those in the habitable zones of their stars, the lessons learned from Pluto's study may help shape theories about planetary formation and habitability. Public interest in Pluto remains strong, fueled by its mysterious status and the stunning images returned by the New Horizons mission. Pluto's status as a dwarf planet continues to captivate the public's imagination, inspiring a renewed appreciation for the vastness of space and our place within it. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of Pluto and its neighboring celestial bodies, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring wonders the universe has to offer. Does Pluto's remarkable nature extend beyond its physical properties and orbit? It also serves as a vital case study for understanding planetary evolution and the dynamics of celestial bodies. Pluto's development is believed to have occurred in the early solar system, alongside other Kuiper Belt objects. Studying its composition can provide valuable insights into the conditions that prevailed during the early stages of the solar system, shedding light on the formation of Earth-like planets. Later research suggests that Pluto may harbor a subsurface ocean, a discovery that could dramatically alter our understanding of its geology and possibly suggest the potential for life. New Horizons data revealed that some regions of Pluto's surface, such as icy mountains, may be composed of water ice, which behaves differently from typical rock at low temperatures. This finding invites further investigation into the possibility of liquid water beneath Pluto's frozen crust, raising intriguing questions about the potential for life in extreme conditions. Additionally, Pluto's interaction with its environment offers valuable insights into atmospheric science. The seasonal changes in its thin atmosphere provide a natural laboratory for studying planetary weather patterns. Scientists are particularly interested in how solar radiation interacts with Pluto's surface, leading to complex atmospheric cycles similar to those observed on larger planets. The continued observation of Pluto and similar celestial bodies is essential as we expand our knowledge of planetary science. Upcoming missions targeting the outer regions of the Kuiper Belt are poised to yield new data that could challenge existing theories and expand our understanding of solar system formation. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of our solar system's history and the processes governing its evolution. Through these studies, Pluto remains a symbol of humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge, inspiring scientists and enthusiasts alike to explore the cosmic mysteries beyond our planet.